राम 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 नमस्काराः सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम् a warm welcome to all the attendees. As mentioned yesterday, we will do the revision first. We'll start with the Mangalam. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guro gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो. So let us visualize the form of Shri Lalita Parameshwari before we do the dhyanam. Sinduraruna vigraham trinayanam manikya maulisphurat तारानायक शेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. So yesterday we chanted till 25th verse. So today we will start from 26th verse after the first verse. Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata. So I'll move to the 26th verse. Just give me a minute. Shamyatam, please wait for a minute. I'm not able to display this. Correct. Prithvi, I'll chant the shloka once and then you can repeat after me once. So one shloka by Prithvi and one verse by Shivani. So we will repeat only once, like after me we'll repeat once. Chakrarajaratharudha sadvayudha parishkruta Yeya chakraratharudha mantrini parisevita
चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुध परिष्कृता येय चक्ररथारूढ मन्त्रिणी परिसेविता
किरि चक्ररथारूढ दण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्त बह्निः प्राकारमध्यगा
गिरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिकाक्षिप्तबह्निः प्राकारमध्यगा
भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्तशक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका
भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्तशक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका
भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्तबाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचितविषङ्गवधतोषिता
भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्तबाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचितविषङ्गवधतोषिता
विशुक्रप्राणहरणवाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वरमुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरा
विशुक्रप्राणहरणवाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वरमुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरा
Shivani, next 5 verses. महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्र प्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी शिवानी
मैम श्रूयते वा इदानीं?
श्रूयते।
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्र प्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्न नारायण दशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्न नारायण दशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सभण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादिदेव संस्तुत वैभवा
कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सभण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादिदेव संस्तुत वैभवा
हरनेत्राग्निसन्दग्ध कामसञ्जीवनौषधिः श्रीमद्वाग्भवकूटैकस्वरूपमुखपङ्कजा
हरनेत्राग्निसन्दग्ध कामसञ्जीवनौषधिः श्रीमद्वाग्भवकूटैकस्वरूपमुखपङ्कजा
कण्ठादः कटिपर्यन्तमध्यकूटस्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्नकट्यधो भागधारिणी
कण्ठाधः कटिपर्यन्तमध्यकूटस्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्नकट्यधो भागधारिणी
पृथ्वी नेक्स्ट 5 verses मूलमन्त्रात्मिका मूलकूटत्रयकलेबरा कुलामृतैकरसिका कुलसङ्केतपालिनी
मूलमन्त्रात्मिका मूलकूटत्रयकलेबरा कुलामृतैकरसिका कुलसङ्केतपालिनी
कुलाङ्गना कुलान्तस्था कौलिनी कुलयोगिनी अकुला समयान्तस्था समयाचारतत्परा
कुलाङ्गना कुलान्तस्था कौलिनी कुलयोगिनी अकुला समयान्तस्था समयाचारतत्परा
मूलाधारैकनिलया ब्रह्मग्रन्थिविभेदिनी मणिपूरान्तरुदिता विष्णुग्रन्थिविभेदिनी
मूलाधारैकनिलया ब्रह्मग्रन्थिविभेदिनी मणिपूरान्तरुदिता विष्णुग्रन्थिविभेदिनी
आज्ञाचक्रान्तरालस्था रुद्रग्रन्थिविभेदिनी सहस्राराम्बुजारूढा सुधासाराभिवर्षिणी
आज्ञाचक्रान्तरालस्था रुद्रग्रन्थिविभेदिनी सहस्राराम्बुजारूढा सुधासाराभिवर्षिणी
तडिल्लता समरुचिः षट्चक्रोपरि संस्थिता महाशक्तिः कुण्डलिनी बिसतन्तु तनीयसी
तडिल्लता समरुचिः षट्चक्रोपरि संस्थिता महाशक्तिः कुण्डलिनी बिसतन्तु तनीयसी
Shivani, 5 verses from here. भवानी भावनागम्या भवारण्यकुठारिका भद्रप्रिया भद्रमूर्तिर्भक्तसौभाग्यदायिनी
भवानी भावनागम्या भवारण्यकुठारिका भद्रप्रिया भद्रमूर्तिर्भक्तसौभाग्यदायिनी
भक्तिप्रिया भक्तिगम्या भक्तिवश्याभयापहा शाम्भवी शारदाराध्या शर्वाणी शर्मदायिनी
भक्तिप्रिया भक्तिगम्या भक्तिवश्याभयापहा शाम्भवी शारदाराध्या शर्वाणी शर्मदायिनी
शाङ्करी श्रीकरी साध्वी शरच्चन्द्रनिभानना शातोदरी शान्तिमती निराधारा निरञ्जना
शाङ्करी श्रीकरी साध्वी शरच्चन्द्रनिभानना शातोदरी शान्तिमती निराधारा निरञ्जना
निर्लेपा निर्मला नित्या निराकारा निराकुला निर्गुणा निष्कला शान्ता निष्कामा निरुपप्लवा
निर्लेपा निर्मला नित्या निराकारा निराकुला निर्गुणा निष्कला शान्ता निष्कामा निरुपप्लवा
नित्यमुक्ता निर्विकारा निष्प्रपञ्चा निराश्रया नित्यशुद्धा नित्यबुद्धा निरवद्या निरन्तरा
नित्यमुक्ता निर्विकारा निष्प्रपञ्चा निराश्रया नित्यशुद्धा नित्यबुद्धा निरवद्या निरन्तरा
निष्कारणं निष्कलङ्का निरुपाधिर्निरीश्वरा निरागारागमथनी निर्मदा मदनाशिनी
निष्कारणा निष्कलङ्का निरुपाधिर्निरीश्वरा निरागारागमथनी निर्मदा मदनाशिनी.
Prithvi, the last, when you close the verse, it's getting cut. So we are not able to hear the dirgha in the end. Maybe you should keep the, be on unmute for a few seconds after you complete the shloka.
Yes, ma'am.
निश्चिन्ता निरहङ्कारा निर्मोहा मोहनाशिनी निर्ममा ममताहन्त्री निष्पापा पापनाशिनी
निश्चिन्ता निरहङ्कारा निर्मोहा मोहनाशिनी निर्ममा ममताहन्त्री निष्पापा पापनाशिनी
निष्क्रोधा क्रोधशमनी निर्लोभा लोभनाशिनी निस्संशया संशयघ्नी निर्भवा भवनाशिनी
निष्क्रोधा क्रोधशमनी निर्लोभा लोभनाशिनी निस्संशया संशयघ्नी निर्भवा भवनाशिनी
निर्विकल्पा निराबाधा निर्भेदा भेदनाशिनी निर्नाशा मृत्युमथनी निष्क्रिया निष्परिग्रहा
निर्विकल्पा निराबाधा निर्भेदा भेदनाशिनी निर्नाशा मृत्युमथनी निष्क्रिया निष्परिग्रहा
निस्तुला नीलचिकुरा निरपाया निरत्यया दुर्लभा दुर्गमा दुर्गा दुःखहन्त्री सुखप्रदा
निस्तुला नीलचिकुरा निरपाया निरत्यया दुर्लभा दुर्गमा दुर्गा दुःखहन्त्री सुखप्रदा.
We'll do another 10 shlokas like this. दुष्टदूरा दुराचार शमनी दोषवर्जिता सर्वज्ञा सान्द्रकरुणा समानाधिकवर्जिता
दुष्टदूरा दुराचार शमनी दोषवर्जिता सर्वज्ञा सान्द्रकरुणा समानाधिकवर्जिता
सर्वशक्तिमयी सर्वमङ्गला सद्गतिप्रदा सर्वेश्वरी सर्वमयी सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपिणी
सर्वशक्तिमयी सर्वमङ्गला सद्गतिप्रदा सर्वेश्वरी सर्वमयी सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपिणी
सर्वयन्त्रात्मिका सर्वतन्त्ररूपा मनोन्मनी माहेश्वरी महादेवी महालक्ष्मीर्मृडप्रिया
सर्वयन्त्रात्मिका सर्वतन्त्ररूपा मनोन्मनी माहेश्वरी महादेवी महालक्ष्मीर्मृडप्रिया
महारूपा महापूज्या महापातकनाशिनी महामाया महासत्त्वा महाशक्ति महाशक्तिर्महारतिः
महारूपा महापूज्या महापातकनाशिनी महामाया महासत्त्वा महाशक्तिर्महारतिः
महाभोगा महैश्वर्या महावीर्या महाबला महाबुद्धिर्महासिद्धिर्महायोगेश्वरेश्वरी
महाभोगा महैश्वर्या महावीर्या महाबला महाबुद्धिर्महासिद्धिर्महायोगेश्वरेश्वरी
महातन्त्रा महामन्त्रा महायन्त्रा महासना महायागक्रमाराध्या महाभैरवपूजिता
महातन्त्रा महामन्त्रा महायन्त्रा महासना महायागक्रमाराध्या महाभैरवपूजिता
महेश्वर महाकल्प महाताण्डवसाक्षिणी महाकामेश महिषी महात्रिपुरसुन्दरी
महेश्वर महाकल्प महाताण्डवसाक्षिणी महाकामेश महिषी महात्रिपुरसुन्दरी
चतुष्षष्ट्युपचाराढ्या चतुष्षष्टिकलामयी महाचतुष्षष्टिकोटियोगिनी गणसेविता
चतुष्षष्ट्युपचाराढ्या चतुष्षष्टिकलामयी महाचतुष्षष्टिकोटियोगिनी गणसेविता
मनुविद्या चन्द्रविद्या चन्द्रमण्डलमध्यगा चारुरूपा चारुहासा चारुचन्द्रकलाधरा
मनुविद्या चन्द्रविद्या चन्द्रमण्डलमध्यगा चारुरूपा चारुहासा चारुचन्द्रकलाधरा
चराचर जगन्नाथा चक्रराजनिकेतना पार्वती पद्मनयना पद्मरागसमप्रभा
चराचर जगन्नाथा चक्रराजनिकेतना पार्वती पद्मनयना पद्मरागसमप्रभा
Tamam, dhanyawadaha Prithvi and Shivani. So what we will do is like yesterday, I request the attendees to raise hands for chanting, and I had noted down a few names from yesterday who I was not able to call out, though they were waiting for a long time for an opportunity to chant. So if they are there, I will call them out first, and then I will call out the other names. Swathi Bhagini. So we will do the chanting from 26th verse today. Yes, you can chant this verse.
Okay. चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुध परिष्कृता गेय चक्ररथारूढ मन्त्रिणी परिसेविता.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Sankar Narayanan Mahodaya, I've unmuted you. sankargudalur@gmail.com. Yes. Can you try 27th verse?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
गिरिचक्ररथारूढ दण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्निप्राकारमध्यगा
ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्निप्राकारमध्यगा vanhi. Can you try the second line again?
ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्निप्राकारमध्यगा.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Okay, so I'm not able to find few people. So like yesterday, once I call out the names, I request you, and once you finish chanting, please lower your hand. Gopika Chavda, I've unmuted you, Bhagini.
Ram
28th
Bhagini.
verse. Ram. Ram. Continue with the 28th.
आम भगिनी. भंड सैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्ति विक्रम हर्षिता नित्यापराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षण समुत्सुका.
Bhagini, can you chant the first line again, please?
भंड सैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्ति विक्रम हर्षिता नित्यापराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षण समुत्सुका.
So the reason I asked you to chant the first line again was basically we should not take a pause or stop in between this name anywhere. So we should try to chant continuously. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवादः.
Sujata Bhagini, 29th verse. Sujata Bhagini, yes.
Me, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you chant
29?
Yes.
Yes. भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्त बाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचित विषङ्गवधतोषिता.
Can you chant again the entire verse?
भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्त बाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचित विषङ्गवधतोषिता.
Uttamam Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Sunita Bhagini, I've unmuted you. 30th verse.
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पिता श्री गणेश्वरा.
Can I teach you once, Bhagini? Can you chant after I chant? Will you repeat after I? One sec. I'll chant once. You can repeat after me. Vishukra Pranaharana Varahi Vidyanandita.
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता
Varahi Dirgha.
वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता.
Correct.
Thank you.
Yeah, and second line also, Bhagini. Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara.
कामेश्वर मुखाक्लोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा.
Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara.
कल्पित कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा.
So this you have to chant the entire letter. Kalpita Shri. Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara.
कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा.
धन्यवादः
Thank you.
भगिनी. पोला सुब्बराव महोदय. Have unmuted you. polasubbarao@gmail.com. I think you're still on self-mute. I'll move to the next person. Vidyashri BV. Can chant this.
Ram Bhagini.
One second, Bhagini.
Yes.
You can chant this 31st verse.
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्न यंत्र प्रहर्षिता भंडासुरेंद्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्र वर्षिणी.
Uttamam, you chanted well, but just once I will teach, you please repeat after me. Mahaganesha nirbhinna vighna yantra praharshita.
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्न यंत्र प्रहर्षिता
Bhandasurendra nirmukta shastra pratyastra varshini.
भंडासुरेंद्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्र वर्षिणी.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tejushri, can you chant this verse?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can chant this 32nd verse which you are seeing on the screen. Karanguli.
कराङ्गुलीन कोत्पन्न नारायण दशकृतिः महापाशुपता
Shall I help you? Shall I teach you once?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You chant after me, okay? Karangulina khotpanna narayana dashakritihi.
करागुलीन कोत्पन्न नारायण दशाकृतिः.
So here Karanguli, okay? Karangulina khotpanna narayana dashakritihi.
कराङ्गुलीन कोत्पन्न नारायण दशाकृतिः.
This kha is a mahaprana. You should remember that, okay? Next, Mahapashupatasтрagni nirdagdha surasainika.
महापाशुपता.
Shall I split and teach? Wait. I'll split this and chant. Mahapashupatasтрagni.
महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि
Nirdagdha surasainika.
निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका.
So here nirdagdha, da is an alpa prana, ga is an alpa prana, and second dha, this dha is a mahaprana. Nirdagdha surasainika.
Sorry, ma'am. Nirdagdhasurasainika.
Listen carefully once again. This da is an alpa prana, da, okay? Nirdagdha surasainika.
Sorry, ma'am. Nirdagdhasurasainika.
So now you understood the difference, right? So practice this. The first dha here is an alpa prana in nirdagdha, and second dha is a mahaprana. Okay, so whenever you chant this, you should remember that.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Bhagyashree, ma'am. I have just.
Okay, fine. Bhagyashree, is it? Okay. So
Yes,
practice
ma'am.
this. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Dhanyavadaha, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha. One second. Okay. So somebody asked me a question on the books. Actually, I think in earlier classes also I had mentioned there are many books actually which will give the names and the translation, the meanings of the Lalita Sahasranama. Like for example, there is a book called Sri Lalitambika Sahasranama Stotram, which is published by Ramakrishna Tapovanam Tiruchirappalli Trust. So it has a name and in the Devanagari script, which is Sanskritam, and then there is an English script and also the translation, the meaning of the name in English. Like this, in there are many books which are regionally in regional languages, like where the translation is available. The another book is, I think I have repeated this earlier also, is Saubhagya Bhaskara. So that is also one book people refer to for understanding the meanings. The Vigraha Vakya as such, the one which I mentioned, the book, the Tapovanam Tiruchirappalli, the Ramakrishna Tapovanam Trust, has a bit of split on the words, where to stop actually when we are learning. But what I want to stress here is, for learning sake, we can split. So for example, Karanguli Nakhotpanna. So we can split like this, and it can form meaningful words also. Karanguli Nakhotpanna. Narayana Dashakrutihi Dashavataraha, like this. But the thing is, here we are not, we are chanting actually the name of the Devi. So this is one name. So once we learn, we should not split this and chant. We should chant this as one whole name. We cannot stop, like, because we want it to be simple. We can't split it as Karanguli Nakhotpanna Narayana Dasha. No, that is not correct, because it is one name of Devi, and we should try to chant it, or we should actually chant it as one full name. The whole thing is one name. So we should not be splitting when it is not required. But however, for some verses, like for example, in this Kulangan, there is a split already. If you see Kulangana, Kulantastha, like this. If you have noticed in Lalita Sahasranama Stotra, up to 35th almost, till 35th verse, you have long names like this, where you have one whole line, the two padams, which we call as first line, is like one name of Devi. But if you move further, it becomes very easy. If you keep seeing Bhavani, Bhavana, Gamya, so there is a name wise split already given, except in very few places where there is a combination of two names. So only till 35th verse you will find this little difficult, because it is all long names like Haranetragni Sandagdha Kama Sanjeevan Aushadhihi, a long name. So till 35th you will have this difficulty. After that it is fairly simple. So I hope I answered the question which was raised by one of the attendees. So let us move to the So now I request other attendees also. Some of you have already raised your names. So I think I have covered those who were left out yesterday, whose names were not called. So please feel free to raise your hands for today's chanting, those of you who are interested to chant. And also, why I'm doing this revision classes, we are almost reaching the end. We are in the 165th verse we have done till that. So we have another few classes only to complete, and we have very few verses also left. And after the completion, after teaching all the verses, we will have an assessment. One will be a Parayanam assessment, where you would like to see the book and do the Parayanam, that is chant the Sahasranama, and the other is a Smaranam assessment. So Smaranam is wherein you would have memorized the Sahasranama and you want to chant. This, it is not like what we call it as a strict assessment, where it is basically what we look at is it is an opportunity to do the samarpanam to a guru, to a scholar, to a person who has done siddhi. So there might be an external assessor, external guest who would come and listen to your chanting. So it's like a samarpanam we are doing to the gurus and the samarpanam to Devi. So the assessment will be there after the completion of learning of all the verses. So while there are another, we have around 183 verses. So we have finished till 165. While there are few more verses to learn. Why we are doing this revision is so we all are prepared to take up that assessment once we finish the class. So I want you all to take this opportunity to chant, so that you overcome that inhibition and you will be able to take up that Guru Samarpanam on that particular day. Of course, you will be having sufficient time to prepare and come back for that assessment. It will not be done immediately after the completion of the classes. So having said that, I will call out the names who are interested to okay, so there's one question before I go to calling out the names. There's one question one of the attendees asked that we should not give gap in pronouncing the name. Please can you confirm how we can read the complete name without pausing? So how we can confirm in the sense, see, if you see some of the names and if you look at any Sahasranamavali book also, you will know what is the full name and what is the, if it is in a line, for example, like this, you can see this particular text, you can see the entire thing is underlined and there is no pada break. There is no break after any name in this particular line. The first line, Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vignayantra Praharshita. So there is no gap. Like whereas if you see, for example, in this verse, 36th verse, Moola Mantratmika, there is a pause. Moola Kutatraya Kalevara. I mean to say there is a gap here. Moola Kutatraya Kalebara. Again, you know, second padam. Then we have Kulamrutaika Rasika. So we know where we have to stop in these cases, which is a logical stop where we can take a pause. But in this case, there is no pause, like in this case, 35th verse or 34th verse or 33rd verse. In all these cases, in all these verses, you cannot take a pause in between the name. I understand that for most of us, it might be difficult if you are learning the Sahasranama first time, because you know that breath control is required. Karanguli Nakhotpanna Narayana Dashakruti. It is easy to say when we say fast like this, but when we are chanting it in a raga and little bit slowly, we feel like taking a pause in between and taking a breath. But it comes out of practice. So that is what I could say. And of course, by identifying which is a full name and where we can take a pause. Generally, if you take any Sahasranama book, you can make out, because there will be, breaks given after the pada. If it is not given, if it is a name completely like this, then you have to chant this entire line together. And how to chant without stopping? Like I said, it comes out of practice. Practice and practice. Listen and practice. Hope it clarifies your doubt. Okay, so let me call out the names now. Where did we stop? I think 31st was, I suppose. Okay, 32nd also I think we finished. 33rd. Madhuri Bhagini, I have unmuted you.
Okay. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
कामेश्वरान्तस्तनिर्दग्धासुभ सबण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्रादिमहेन्द्रादि देवसंस्तुतवैभवा.
Okay. I'll teach once. You can repeat after me. You are referring to the what I'm showing on the screen, or you have any other text, Bhagini?
I have text, Kannada text.
Okay, fine. So I will chant once. You can repeat after me. कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सबण्डासुरशून्यका. Can you chant?
कामेश्वरान्तस्ता निर्दग्धा सबण्डसुरशून्यका.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll split and teach once for learning. Okay. कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध
कामेश्वरान्तस्तनिर्दग्धा
कामेश्वरास्त्र
कामेश्वरास्त्र
निर्दग्ध
निर्दग्ध
सबण्डासुरशून्यका
सबण्डासुरशून्यका
ब्रह्मोपेन्द्रमहेन्द्रादि
ब्रह्मोपेन्द्रादिमहेन्द्रादि.
So here Brahmopendra, that's all. Okay, there is no Adi here. Brahmopendra
ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र
Mahendradi
महेन्द्रादि
देवसंस्तुतवैभवा.
देवसंस्तुतवैभवा.
धन्यवादः. You can lower your hand. Shubha Bhagini, 34th verse, please.
Hare Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
हरनेत्राग्निसन्दग्धकामसञ्जीवनौषधिः श्रीमद्वाग्भवकूटैकस्वरूपमुखपङ्कजा.
धन्यवादः भगिनी. Lopamudra. So Lopamudra, you are very much worried about the new verses, right? Don't worry, I will teach all the verses, okay? Even 164th verse which you have missed, I will teach again, okay? Now you can chant 35th verse. Kantadha Katiparyanta.
कण्टादः कटिपर्यन्तमध्यकूटस्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्न कट्यधो भागधारिणी.
Tamam.
कण्टाधः कटिपर्यन्तमध्यकूटस्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्न कट्यधो भागधारिणी.
So both of you, Lopamudra and I forgot your brother's name. So both of you, see this last letter, okay, in the first line is na, okay, Rupini. So it comes in the tavarga, ta tha da dha na. So it should not be sounded as na. It's not ta tha da dha na. It is na, okay. Skutasvarupini. Katyadho bhagadharini na. Okay, you should practice this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha. Geeta Vinod.
Namo Namah Bhagini.
Namaste.
मूलमन्त्रात्मिका मूलकूटत्रयकलेवरा कुलामृतैकरसिका कुलसङ्केतपालिनी.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः.
Muthukumar Mahodaya, can you try this? I have unmuted you. Okay.
Can you hear me now? Hari Om.
Yes, Hari Om, I can hear you.
कुलाङ्गना कुलान्तस्था कौलिनी कुलयोगिनी अकुला समयान्तस्था समयाचार तत्परा.
Can you chant once again? It was not very clear for me. Can you chant once again, please?
Sure. कुलाङ्गना कुलान्तस्था कौलिनी कुलयोगिनी अकुला समयान्तस्था समयाचार तत्परा.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Shanti Bhagini. Can you try this?
मूलाधारैकनिलया ब्रह्मग्रन्थिविभेदिनी मणिपुरान्तरुदिता विष्णुग्रन्थिविभेदिनी.
Dhanyavadaha Shanti Bhagini. Meena Bhagini. Can you try this verse? Meena Bhagini. I have unmuted you. Okay, I'll go to the next person. Bhanumati Bhagini. Bhanumati Bhagini, you are on mute. Am I audible? Prithvi, I'm audible, right?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. Okay, I'll move to the next person. KVS Iyer Mahodaya. KVS Iyer Mahodaya. Yes.
Namaste.
Namaste Mahodaya. Can you try this verse?
Okay, yeah. Ajna Chakrantharastha Rudra Granthi Vibhedini Sahasrambhujarudha Sudhasarabhivarshini.
Mahodaya, second line I will chant once and then you can chant. Yeah. Sahasrarambujarudha. It's Sahasrarambujarudha. Can you try?
Sahasrarambujarudha
Sudhasarabhivarshini.
Sudhasarabhivarshini.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Thank you.
Prasan9 it says Shiva. Yes. Can you chant this verse?
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Tadillata samaruchih षट्चक्रोपरि संस्थिता महाशक्तिः कुण्डलिनी विसतन्तु तनीयसी.
I'll chant once, you can repeat after me, Bhagini. Tadillata samaruchih षट्चक्रोपरि संस्थिता.
Tadillata samaruchih षट्चक्रोपरि संस्थिता
महाशक्तिः कुण्डलिनी.
महाशक्तिः कुण्डलिनी
विसतन्तु तनीयसी.
विसतन्तु तनीयसी.
धन्यवादः
महोदय.
धन्यवादः. माला भगिनी, 41st verse.
राम राम राम.
राम राम राम.
भवानी भावना गम्या भवारण्यकुठारिका भद्रप्रिया भद्रमूर्तिर्भक्त सौभाग्यदायिनी.
धन्यवादाः. राजा रामन महोदय.
भक्ति प्रिया भक्ति कम्या भक्ति वश्या भयाभगा शाम्भवी शारदा रात्या सर्वाणि सर्वदायिनी।
धन्यवादाः महोदय।
नमस्ते।
शारदा भगिनी। शारदा भगिनी। नमस्ते।
नमस्ते गुरुजी। शांकरी श्रीकरी साध्वी शरच्चंद्र निबानना शादोदरी शांतिमती निराधारा निरंजना।
Tamam. Just in the first line, third name, Sadhvi. Dha is a Mahaprana.
Okay, Sadhvi.
Correct. Dhanyavadah. Anita Nair. Anita Nair. Anita Nair Bhagini, I have unmuted you. Okay, I'll go to the next person. Bhanumati. Okay, I can't hear. Hari Mahodaya. Hari Mahodaya. Okay, I can't hear anything. Purnima Bhagini.
Namaste, Adhyapika. Can I chant the 35th words?
You want to chant 35th, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, you can start.
कंठादः कटिपर्यन्त मध्यकूटस्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्न कट्यधोभागधारिणी।
Bhagini, once I will chant, you can try repeating after me. Listen carefully when repeating, especially Mahaprana words. Okay. Kanthādah Katiparyanta Madhyakuta Swarupini. Can you try?
Kanthādah Katiparyanta Madhyakuta Swarupini.
Madhyakuta Swarupini.
Madhyakuta Swarupini. Shaktikūtaikatapanna katyadhobhagadharini. Shaktikūtaikatapanna katyadhobhagadharini.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini.
Dhanyavadah. Thank you.
Hiranmay. Hiranmay. I'll just unmute Kiranmay Bhagini. Can you try the where did we stop last? 44. 44, yes.
Nirlepa nirmala nitya nirakara nirakula nirguna nishkala shanta nishkama nirupaplava.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini. So one last person for the day. Shailaja Ye Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Can you chant this?
Yeah. Nitya Mukta Nirvikara Nishprapancha Nirashraya Nitya Shuddha Nitya Buddha Niravadya Nirantara.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini.
Namyatam, I was not able to teach the new verses because we spent time on the revision only today. But I think it's important for us to do this revision also, so that we understand the nuances of pronunciation when we chant individually. So that is the reason we have this revision class. So tomorrow, hopefully, I will be able to do the new verses. Let's do the Mangalam. Sarvamangalamangallye Shive Sarvarthasadhike Sharanye Triambake Devi Narayani Namostute. We'll meet tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. IST. Dhanyavadaha.